Welcome back, guys. Do you know you can get up to 1 ton free on Tomarket? Yes, many people are not aware of their new updates. As you can see, they keep updating. And on this account, I just want to show you some updates you need to get familiar with. Their airdrop is fast approaching. They are listing in 16 to 17 days to go as at the time of recording this video. And you should know that your level and your coin balance will determine your allocation. So you must always level up. You should know that. You already know that. You can see I have stars here now. If I want to level up on this account, I will level up. I'll just click on this my level, and I'm gonna click on level up. But on this account, I'm doing a kind of experiment here. So now I want to quickly show you some what's it called, some updates you need to know, how you can get, how you can get to get free tones, free stars, free everything. Do you know that every day tomato give us 5 spins daily to spin? Excuse me, my network is a little bit slow here. They gave us 5 spin daily, and with that spin you can get to do whatever we want to do. The network is a little bit slow. You can get to check this area. See this area where my hand is now. You can see it's like a game, but we have a free spin there. So if I should click on it, I'm going to see spin. Can you see this place now? I have 22 spin left. You understand? Before we only use our stars to spin, like this one. This is what I wanted to show you guys before. That's why I don't use that stars to upgrade. You can use your stars to spin, and we also have free spins. So now if you should scroll down, you will see what you can win with your spins. You understand? Ranges from 1 ton, 10 stars, 29 tomatoes, 0.1 ton, and as you can see, and the ones that I've done today, if I should see it now, let me check. I think I've spent like 3 or 4. You see, I've won 29 tomatoes, 1 stars, 9, 19. You can see, you already see it now. See the date. This is the date. I think these 3 or 4 were done today. So with that, you'll be given free spins every day, and you can win any. From what I show you guys, you can see you can win from ranges from 1 ton to 10 stars to 29 tomato. Now how do you get to do it? It's very simple. It's very simple, very simple. Just click on spin. Can you see? That's 1000 tomato. And if I should check my reward now, I'm going to see it there. Can you see? So now this is one of free. We can spin all this for free. This is 9,000 tomatoes. Now once we exhaust this one, we can use our stars to spin. But I think we are limited to 3 spin with stars. They are the same thing. If I should click on stars now, can you see what they wrote? I think I've used like 3 stars to spin this morning. If I should click on it now, they are going to notify me at the top. You see, maximum 3 spins per day. You can see. So I still have my 4 stars at the top. So which means I'm left with 19 spins, free spins, which I can spin for free. You can see I got 1 star. So with this now, always check this game area to get your spin and win prizes. You understand? So that is that. As you can see I'm winning. Now, having done that, let's go back. Do you know you can keep claiming your 5,000 dig daily, your tomatoes? Click this area now. This arrow. I've claimed my this morning. Can you see it? You always see it here. Make sure you claim it. And you level up. So I haven't done that. That's another way. Then the next thing to it is your task. They will always give you tasks to do. If it is 2 or 3, they will always surely give you. You see, I have like 800 to claim here. Then I'm gonna click on claim, and you can see it has been added. So make sure you get it done now. And daily combo, the daily mystery. If you are in my group, you can see I keep dropping it every day. I think today one is 1 2 3 1 2 3. I think so. I guess I've done it. I've done it already. There are 3 cards. Okay, yes, you see 3 cards. least 2,000 tomatoes as well that I've won it. Make sure you get it done. From what I just did now, I've gained over 50,000 tone. I mean, excuse me, 50,000 tomatoes. Imagine from the spin, I may be lucky to have 1 ton, 0.5 ton, and it will be, sent to my wallet. You understand? Although it might not be immediately, but once everything has been listed at the end, you will get your ton. You understand? So that is the latest update, and that's how you can win your 1 ton for free from Tomarket. So thank you, and see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.